guys, good morning. I am so excited for this video. I really wanted this video to be a catch-up of what my life kind of looks like in Michigan. Ella and I have moved into a house together. We both kind of share the upstairs. It's a really cool room situation and I can't wait to show you. We've been moving in kind of throughout the summer, but since fall's coming, things are settling down. My goal is to spend as much time here as I can, show you guys just like the little situation I have going on here when I'm in Michigan. I love my room. It's a little bit small. I've kind of mentioned it in a video before, but yeah, we basically live 15 minutes away from our parents' house now. So still go over to our parents all the time. We're a little bit closer to the downtown. It's in such a cute neighborhood. So this will just be like a good day in the life catch up. I value slow mornings so much. Today was definitely a slow morning. Doing a workout, walking, cleaning up, getting ahead of work on the day and just figuring out what I need to get done. We also don't have a coffee machine, so every morning I'll have my AG1s and then drink a lot of water just because I'm trying to not have coffee right in my stomach as soon as I wake up. I don't know if anyone else is trying to do that too, but just for so many years I would wake up, first thing in my stomach is coffee, and I think it just definitely affected my gut a little bit, my gut health. So anyways, it's now 12 p.m. and we're gonna go get my hair done. I'll show you guys it right now. The last time I got it cut, I had some layers and highlights put in, which I think you can kind of see there's a little bit of the highlights grown out. And I don't know, I kind of want to keep it the same. I like the layers, just clean it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna show you guys my room. We're gonna hang out with, I think, my sister, mom, maybe see some friends. And then I'm also gonna show you guys the Victoria's Secret Pink Back to Campus collection, which is out now. And I am wearing this white top from the collection and these navy blue leggings, which are so comfy. I'm filming this on a Friday. It's August 9th. So I thought it would be a really fun day. I've had this hair appointment booked for a while. So I was like, this is the day. We're gonna get back into the routine. I'm gonna show you guys what I've been doing here in Michigan. So yeah, it's like a refresh update. Love it. Okay, let's go. Done. It's a little bit lighter. The curls and the layers I love so much. I like that it's lighter, but I think my favorite thing that I've changed recently about my hair is getting layers. Because at first when I would ask for it to be cut, I would just have it cut like here, right? Kind of flat across. And then my hair was just getting really poofy. There was no like texture to it. So we added in some layers and now it's a little bit lighter. Wow. I don't know if I would go any lighter than this. I'm not sure. We'll do this for the end of summer and then I think I'll go back to the normal, just like dark brown, probably in September. But now I'm gonna go make some lunch. I'm very hungry. It's 2:30. Had a cookie in there. I want to show you guys my room. So excited to eat. I added some sun chips and wheat thins. I have my salad. This was a pre-made salad, but it's so good. This is my little desk area. It's not done yet, but it's really cute. I got this table and this like super cute chair off of Facebook Marketplace. But yeah, I have a little bit more work to do. I kind of want to put some shelves right here. I bought like a little calendar just so I could like mark things down, to be determined, but I have my planner and then I have my laptop, so I'm gonna eat some lunch and then I have a call at 3:30, which is in 5 minutes. So I took my call and I was trying to record the next couple hours of me working, but I ended up recording in slow-mo. But I was telling you guys I got an Airbnb booked for New York. I'm working on a pop-up event this September for Starlite Village, which I'm so excited to talk more about. And then I was posting on Starlite, getting back to a couple people, and then my energy was kind of crashing, so I decided to take you guys with me to go fill my car up with gas and then grab a Celsius, which I rarely feel like I need a Celsius in my day just because it's a lot of caffeine. But I was excited to get one. Again, I'm still filming in slow motion, which is so tragic because I filmed a room tour and was really excited about everything. You can kind of see I'm like pointing to stuff, kind of explaining, but now it's just an overview of my room. It's a work in progress. I still need to get a few more things to organize it better, but I have some cute clothing racks, I have all my staples out on, and the room is slowly coming together. But I also hung up the Back to Campus collection by Pink on the clothing racks, so I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the collection before we continue on to dinner. So in the collection, there's tons of tans, creams, we have some greens, and then also the white and navy. Some good basic pieces, whether it's going back to school, getting into a more consistent work schedule. Now that summer's over, there are so many cute pieces in the collection. And I've hung them up, so we're gonna go one by one. First is this adorable dress I'm wearing to dinner. It's a very fitting, stretchy material with a spaghetti strap. I feel like it's easy to throw on the jacket and head out. Then we have this jacket and skirt set. I've worn this jacket already a couple times, but cute little set just to throw on, or you can wear them separately. And this is a skirt as well. So next is this skirt, which is so cute. Has a pin on the side. I've never seen Pink do something like this. It's like a felt material, and then we have some fringes at the side. It kind of looks like if a scarf was wrapped around and made into a skirt. So I think this is adorable. Okay, then we have this army green jacket that I paired with this cream sports bra, which I absolutely love. Really cute casual set to throw on. Jackets are definitely my go-to staple because you can still wear your cute outfit and then throw on whatever jacket you need to on top. Then we have this comfy t-shirt. Again, easy to throw on. This fanny pack that almost looks like a purse, and well, I mean, it is a purse, I guess, but I love it. It's very casual. I've been wearing this on my walks to put my camera or phone in. Can throw your wallet in here too. Then we have the two workout sets. These black leggings are the relay leggings, and then this is the relay top. So cute. I don't think I've felt material like this from Pink before, which this outfit, so cozy, even though it's pretty tight fitting. I felt comfortable wearing it all day. And then also just with getting into more of a routine, having a cute matching workout set is always so nice. If you haven't tried the relay leggings and sports bras and tops, I would recommend one. Even just for like casual flare leggings to wear around, like these are my favorite. This with just a top and a sweatshirt. And then my favorite thing that is in this collection are their camis and their shorts. So these sleep shorts are so cute with the blue and white stripes. They have kind of like a crochet little heart cut out. There's little bows at the top, and they have so many more shorts and tank tops to choose from. And I just think shorts or boxers to sleep in or lounge around in are the absolute best. So I feel like this collection has a lot of choices, especially for college students or people that maybe work from home. You want to stay comfy, you still need to run around and like kind of look put together and cute. And thank you to Pink for sponsoring this video. Here's the dress on, very comfy. I have some like small white platforms on, and then I'm also wearing this cardigan from the collection as well, only because it's early August, but it's like low 70s right now, so I'm gonna wear this just in case I get cold. Super cute though, and I actually normally don't like long dresses. And then the last thing is I'm gonna put on just a little bit of makeup. I'm just kidding. Oh, fuck. Why'd you do that? Because I don't want to park over there. Okay, wait, show this. This is pretty.
Ugh.